Hello, today I'm going to change the throttle body which is in there. I did this the other day. It's a bit warm here, I've just had it running and there's a bit of smoke coming off from the WD-40 I used around here because of that change, but I'm changing this. I don't think it needs changing, I'm pretty certain of it, but the owner wants me to change it because he's selling the car and he wants everything done. So I've changed the actuator, the MAF sensor, the battery, the air filter. It's all what he wanted to make sure everything's okay, and this has only done like 50,000 kilometers, so yep, that's how he wants it, so that's how it's being done. So I'll show you in a minute. That one comes off. Four bolts down here, if I can see them. Ouch. It's a bit warm. I shouldn't have ran it so long. I just ran it to warm the water up slightly. So when I do the calibration, the water's a good temperature. And that's it off. Looks quite oily in there. Put these bolts out. Maybe not. Oh. There you go. There's the old one. Got a lot of crap in there, but that would have been easy to clean, I think. Just give this a wipe down before I put the other thing on. See? Can't be good, can it? I wouldn't have thought. I'll put that new one on before. And there's a new one. So it goes on like that. Put that back on. And I put this back on, so it's done. So move all these wires out of the way. best to take that off. That's how the new one looks when it's in. So this goes on there, put that down there, this one goes on top, and then I've just got to put that on. Okay. So that's on, that's in, that's on, that one's on, that's tight. So it's just a case of putting the battery on and calibrating it, hopefully. So I'm in here now, I've got this ETC. We'll see what car it is, I'm guessing. I've just finished the matching. It all it matched, finished correctly. I'm just doing a final diagnostics to make sure there's nothing else wrong. When I started up, it started like straight away, where it used to take a bit of time, so it did do its job. It's done 82,000 miles, kilometers, not 50. Oh, just got to put the engine cover on, not the engine cover, the engine tray on, and that's me finished with this car. So finally, for this one anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.